Guys, today I'm gonna unbox this sports fan. Let's see how it just arrived today. It looks super cool. Just have a look. This is box. It just uses sanctions and on and off travel. That's all things. I'm gonna just move the box. You can see that. All right, let's just open it. You can see this back side. There are specs like what's the specification, how you use that, and dimension and things. All right, so I'm gonna open it. So that's manual. Ta-da! Okay, so that's the fan what we got. It says it's a neck fan, and it's a mute motor, super strong wind, and let's check it out. Just unbox these things. All right. Well, I would say that you can see first how it's look like. Pretty reasonable size of rotors. Here it's a power button, charging port, micro USB, and that's a battery compartment. It's a rechargeable battery. And the good thing is, like, you can adjust as per your need. It's 360-degree rotatable, so you can just put like that, and also you just put like that. Like, you can adjust as you need it. All right, let's fire this baby up. So if you press here, let's see. So once you press the button, press and hold the button for a few seconds and it's turned on. You can hear this is first mode. It's a first speed, and it's pretty silent actually. And if you press again, it's changed the mode. It's a second speed mode, and it's got a little bit more sound. It's like to be honest, for me it's not annoying noise. Okay, let's go for fastest. That's the third. Okay, wow, impressive. I can feel the wind, and the voice is pretty reasonable as well. I mean, the sound, the fan sound is pretty reasonable. Also, when you press and hold, it stops. So let me know in the comment below what do you think. For me, it's a little, I mean, not so heavy, and yeah, it's good. It's cool for the summer.